James Yap, patid sa inyo ng TM Diskarte Sim, 30 pesos lang. May bagong diskarte ka na. Although ito si James Yap has yet to score in the second quarter. Nevertheless, umarangkada dito yung kanyang kuponan.
Magandang hugot dito kay Richard Yee. Mid sa point na ito, hero play set ng kanilang import na si Reda Ralimi and is doing a good job.
Here's Carriazo, open shot.
Minamalas na. At sinuswerte naman sa pagpulot ng bola ang Pure Foods.
Kung minamalas ang mga alas, buenas naman ang mga higante here in the second quarter. Now leading by 7 big points. Their biggest lead of the ball game.
Biggest lead by either team. 9 points,
By Alaska. Back in the opening quarter. Tenodio's back on the floor para kay Coach Tim Cohn.
Siyempre, hanap ng nakaw. Magandang inbound. Alam na alam mo doon pupunta eh. Alam na alam mong nanakaw eh.
Number 21, Reno Hugnatan. His
First personal laban kay Hugnatan. Yan naman ng advantage, no?